a real villain?
Well, technically, nah.
Have you ever caught a good guy like a real superhero?
Nah.
Have you ever tried a disguise?
Nah.
All right. I can see that I will have to teach you how to be villains.
Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out. Let me assure you that...
So, what do you guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom?
Guys, let's...
Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you want to be a villain #1...
No, not me! Nuh-uh! You got the wrong guys!
You have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound.
I don't feel so good.
No, don't touch that.
Good morning to you! Good morning to you! We're all in our places! We're so
Now look at this net that I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw. Go! Throw it at him, not me! Oh, let's try something else. Now watch and learn. Here's the deal. You slip and slide on this banana peel. What are you doing? #1.
Oh, I wish I was a